Hi, I'm Darren with IKONICS Imaging, and here's a technical tip of the day. A standard feature on our CrystalBlast Elite 3.0, our CrystalBlast Pro 2.0, and our CrystalBlast Summit is what we call a pneumatic filter vibrator. It's going to keep your filter clean for a long period of time. The way the model works is you leave your light and your dust blower off. It's very important because you want all that air from your air compressor to concentrate right on your filter, so you're using all that air to shake it. So the way it works is at the start of your work day, first thing in the morning is very important, is you want to run this, and basically you have your air on 120 psi or more the better, and you're going to flip this switch right here on my front leg. You're going to have that switch on for about 1 minute to 2 minutes, and during that time period there's a filter bracket holding the big cartridge filter, and there's a ball bearing assembly that's shaking that filter bar very quickly, very fast. So basically all that dust that's on your filter is going to shake off and fall down into your dust hopper below. Before you leave for the evening, make sure your air compressor is off and also drained. This time of year when the humidity is higher, you're overworking that compressor, a lot of humidity, a lot of water moisture is built in the tank. So drain the tank. Also with that, it allows the air in your line to dry overnight. There's no line pressure, there's no humidity, so during your nighttime when the machine is idle, all that dust that's on the filter is going to dry as well because there's no line pressure, there's no air that might be a little humid or a little moist. So it allows the air filter to completely dry overnight. So when you first come in the morning, 7 a.m. or whatever your time shift is, when you clean it for 2 minutes, that's going to be most effective because that dust is going to fall as a filter faster and more efficiently because that dry dust is going to come off easier than damp dust. The reason why you would clean your filter daily is because the way it works is dust is going to get sucked into your filter down here where the reclaimer is, and then the blower is up above. Okay, so all the dust is going to get sucked up into the big blower on our machines. So all the dust is moving north or up, okay? So all that dust is going to build up over time throughout your day, and the only way it's going to drop down into the dust hopper and get off your filter is by cleaning it, okay? So if you don't clean it during a day or a couple days, you forget to do it for a long period of time, dust is going to sit up here and it cakes on, like, you know, it's very hardened on there. So what'll happen then is it gets top heavy. Okay, because there's no dust here. So it starts to sag and you break that rubber seal, and it's a slight break that might happen where dust is going to seep into the impeller housing and then get into your motor and blow around. So you don't want that to happen. So again, shake the dust off from here down below just by simply cleaning your filter once a day, shaking the filter 1 minute, 2 minutes. I wouldn't go any more than 3 minutes. That's going to keep that filter nice and clean for you, keep your cabinet clean, extend the life of your filter 2 to 5 years just by flipping a switch called the pneumatic filter vibrator. If any questions with that feature or any other technical tips, please call 1-800-643-1037 and have a blast.